Okay, welcome back, class. We finished the video about adding and subtracting integers. So, again, if you needed to review that, look for the video about that. That's the previous video. Okay. So, today we are going to talk about multiplying and dividing integers. Okay. Now, the focus is on the signs, okay, the rule of signs, so that you are not confused whether your answers are positive or negative. Okay. Notice we are talking about a pair of numbers. Okay, that means two numbers at a time. So, multiplying and dividing. Okay, the rule of sign for that. When the sign are the same, okay, what you do, your answer will always be positive for any two numbers that you are multiplying or dividing. If the sign are the same, your answer is positive. What do I mean by that? Okay, what this means is that if I do 3 times 2, okay, my answer, since the two numbers are positive, then my answer would be positive. Okay. By the way, there are several ways to write multiplication. This 3 times 2, okay, can be written this way also. This also means 3 times 2. This also means 3 times 2. And this means also 3 times 2. Okay. So this one, 3 times 2. Okay. So be familiar with all these ways of writing multiplication. Okay. So now, same sign, meaning that if both numbers are negative, let's say negative 3 times negative 2, my answer would be positive. Okay. So, and the same rule apply for division as well. Okay. If you have positive 6 divided by positive 2, your answer is positive 3. Okay. If you have negative 6 divided by negative 2, your answer is positive 3. So, for multiplication and division, okay, as the rule of sign is concerned, if the signs are the same sign, your answer is always positive. Okay. Remember, we are talking about two numbers at a time, a pair of numbers at a time. Okay. Now, what if the sign are different? Okay. When the sign are different, your answer is negative. Okay. What this means is that if I do negative 3 times 2, okay, the sign are different, so my answer will be negative 6. Okay. Same as it doesn't matter which one comes first, the negative or the positive, it does not matter. So 2 times negative 5, the answer is still negative 10. Okay. And this rule apply for multiplication as well as for division. Okay. If I'm doing division, if I have negative 6 divide by positive 2, okay, the signs are different, so my answer is negative. Okay. Normally, when we are writing a fraction, we don't put a negative in the denominator. But for the purpose of this lesson, I will write an example with a negative in the denominator. Okay, so if you have, let's say 10 divided by -5, okay, so the signs are different, your answer is negative. Okay, and that's actually all there is to know about multiplying, the rule of sign for multiplication and division. Okay, same sign, your answer is positive. Different signs, your answer is negative. That's all there is to know. Okay, just make sure that we are talking here about a pair of numbers. Okay, the reason why I'm saying pair of numbers, for instance, if you have a situation such as this one, okay, where you have -3 times -2, okay, times 3, okay, um, times a -4, okay. So every time that you multiply uh, a pair of numbers, you apply the same rule of uh, the same rule of signs. Okay, so right here you have a negative times a negative, so same sign, your answer is positive. Now how to multiply 6 times 3, that would be 18. The two numbers now would be positive, so my answer is positive. All right, now if I multiply this 18 now by this -4, okay, then my answer would be negative. Okay, so it would be negative 72. Okay, that's it.